Brad Williams, Excel Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to work with the filter function and the exact function. And what we're looking for in this particular case is a golfer by name, exact. In other words, let's say, I'll discuss this in detail here. What we're looking at here is we have a golfer, we have golf score and round. All right, this round and golf score is not important. All we're looking at is golfer. The structure or the anatomy here is filter and exact. And what we're looking at is filter. What we're going to do is up here we have golfer, and this is our filter, Mike. What specifically are we looking at? Mike spelled exactly like this, not upper. If it's lowercase, it won't work. So together, the filter and exact function can be used to filter data based on case sensitivity. And again, we have this range. We hit F9, and you could see in this particular case, we have a change. We're changing characters here. We have a lowercase Kim, we have an uppercase Mike, and a lowercase Jim. You could see here, if it's Kim, how many Kims are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're looking for just lowercase Kim. Same here, just hit F9. And these are just random. This is purely for tutorial reasons only. I use the RAM between just to give you an option. I could keep this idle. You're going to go, well, that's kind of boring. Well, hit F9 and then it'll kind of give you what's going on here. So you can see if we go to uppercase, and you just keep hitting F9. And you can see Mike, and there's 1, 2, and there's 2 Mikes, uppercase. Anyway, you get the point here. We're looking for case sensitivity. The way it works, exact. Well, exact wants, we can go here, and we can go filter, and you know the filter drill. Previous arrays, we have an array. Again, it's a list. We want to include, what do we want to include? Well, we have a range. We're looking just for names. But if we remove the exact, we're going to get everything. But exact is going to say, what does the exact say? Well, we want text. We want this B5, and it has to match D2. Pretty simple. You're going to see this Boolean array. I use the word discrete because Boolean just doesn't make any sense. So I use discrete logic, Boolean, they're one and the same. It's computer talk. And what it is, it's looking for true and false, 1 and 0. That's the way Excel works. It's just simple computer engineering. And we won't get, we will. We'll dig deeper into it as we progress. But that's what Boolean is. So include, and that means, if you read this, Boolean, the Boolean would be the include. Here we have this include, that would be here. And so what we're looking for are true and false. We look down here, the first argument to exact is a list containing 10 values, and the second is the series D2. Exact returns a collection containing 10 results as shown. B5, false, 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 false. All right, so how do we get, if you are interested in how this works, we're going to just click here and then just hit F9. And it's going to show you true, 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 Jim, 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 Jim. Hit escape, go back in, hit this, go to exact. This takes some practice sometimes. Go to text or filter, include, F9. If you just highlight the include and hit F9, there's your false, true, 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 true. How does Excel work this through? I'm going to just show the truth. So you hit F9, escape out of here. You hit F9 again until we get, you're going to see if we hit exact, we hit F9, there should be 2 true, exact, include. You're going to see 1, 2 truths. So go back into the anatomy. Filter allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. The exact tests if cells are exactly equal, case sensitive, true, false. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.